Hare Krishna. So yesterday I was telling how bit by bit we all are investing either positively or negatively in our lives, and the results accrue over time, and they form habits and character and culture, eventually leading to either positive progress or we go in a downward spiral and we degrade ourselves. But how do we invest bit by bit in our life is very important for us to know. Our Vaishnava Granthas are very practical and they are down to earth. You will see this is repeating phenomenon in all the Vaishnava literatures. Kayena vacha manasendriyairva buddhyatmana va prakrite svabhavat karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai Shriman Narayanayeti samarpayetat. Like that, there is a verse in the Bhagavatam. Otherwise, traditionally, Narayanayeti samarpayami. That is also another verse in Vishnu Sahasranam. So here it talks about the body, mind, words are the three equipments by which you invest yourself in spiritual activities. Iha yasya harer dasye karmana manasa gira nikhilashvapyavastasu jivan muktasya uchyate. If you want to become a liberated soul, a pure devotee of Krishna, then one has to invest in this way. How? With body, mind and words, one should completely absorb oneself in devotional activities. How do we engage our body? By bringing the body to the temple, by uttering the prayers with our lips, raising the arms and dancing, taking darshan of the deities while the Lord's altar is opening, isn't it? And rendering services like cooking for the Lord, making garland for the Lord, ornaments for the Lord, making dresses for the Lord. All these different activities are going out on book distribution. So this is how we engage our body. How do we engage our words? Like you can see, the Nam Japa which we do, Prabhupada said we should chant audibly, not in the mind. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the right thing to do. Instead, one should not speak gossip or rumor mongering, or one should not speak about impure things. One should not yell at somebody. One should not be critical of somebody in speech, and one should not speak lies and all these things. Then there are the right things. One should speak the truth. One should speak the truth lovingly, sweetly. One should speak the ultimate truth or absolute truth about the Supreme Lord. And one should always speak after studying the Shastra and not bluff. And also, one should speak glorification of the Lord. One can glorify the devotees. One can enlighten the world by speaking about the Lord's teachings as well as Lord's will. In this way, we can use our tongue. One can eat prasadam with the tongue. One can avoid eating everything else. In this way, the mouth can be rightly used and we can avoid wrongly using it. In the same manner, mind, how do you engage the mind? There was one Pratishthanapur Brahman who had no resources to offer worship for the Lord. So he did Manasa Puja, sitting in the bank of a holy river. He brought golden vessels, silver vessels, and he cooked varieties of preparations for the Lord, including sweet rice. And when he put his finger in the sweet rice, his finger got burnt. And the Lord laughed, and then Lakshmi heard the news. She told Lord Vishnu to bring him back to spiritual world. So in this way, he was able to offer puja for the Lord even in the mind. And also, we engage the mind by chanting the holy name. Manmanat, Krishna says. Think of me. How? By chanting the holy name. Because whatever you speak about, your mind becomes filled with those thoughts. For example, if you are describing some picture that you are seeing with your mouth, eventually your mind also becomes filled with that picture. So, therefore, mind should be engaged properly by chanting and remembering the Lord. Mind has activities of thinking, feeling and willing. Think about the glories of the holy name. Feel like Lord Chaitanya says in the second verse of Shikshashtakam, Durdaivam idrisham vihajanina anuragaha. One should feel like that. And will means one should properly move the beads and make sure chanting happens properly. 16 rounds. In this way we can will. So, if you see out of the three, Kaya, Vacha, Manasa, we all are first of all, a person should be willing to come for the Mangalarati program. Come for the morning. Then you have brought the body. Kaya has come already. And then Vacha also is possible, because when the Arati is going on, use the lips to sing. Don't switch off the lips and keep speculating on something or worrying about something. If somebody has stopped singing, that means he is thinking of something else. So use the lips to sing. And also, not only sing superficially, like a lip service, bring the mind also. Bring the mind. Think of each paragraph of Shikshashtakam, or each paragraph of the Guru Ashtakam. See, first it talks about the Guru's qualities, mercy. Second verse is about, Kirtan mercy. Third verse is about Shri Vigraha, Archa Vigraha mercy. Fourth verse is about Prasadam mercy. Fourth verse is about Leela mercy. Sixth verse is about Seva mercy. Think about all these different forms of mercy enveloping us from all directions. Be grateful to Guru and Prabhupada, Guru Parampara. This way, each song we can bring our mind, express our gratitude. Gratitude is the source of all good qualities. In this way, Kaya, Vacha, Manasa can be brought together. And that is the way we render devotion service. Aham harer tava padaikamulah dasanudaso bhavitasmi bhuyah manasmaret ashupater gunamste vinita karma karotu kayah. The pure devotee, Vritrasura, what is he praying to the Lord, at the time of leaving the body? He's saying, Aham harer tava padaikamulah. Other than your lotus feet, I don't want to take shelter of anyone or anything, my Lord. How I want to take your shelter? Not directly. Dasanu daso bhavita asmi. He's saying, let me become your servant by approaching as a servant of your servants. Because they will escort me to your lotus feet and I will surrender to you. Just like we say, pour the water in the root of the tree, the whole tree will be nourished. But you don't take out a tree and pour the water in the root. How do you pour the water? You pour the water in the sand, from which the root absorbs the water. So the sand is embracing the tree around. Similarly, the pure devotees are embracing the Lord's lotus feet in their hearts constantly. Mayi nirbaddha hridaya sarvatra. God is saying that my devotees have captured me in their hearts. So, therefore, by serving those devotees, the Lord is served. And Lord is served, everything else is taken care. Therefore, he is saying, Dasanu daso bhavita asmi bhuyaha. Manasman, bhuya means again. Let me again become your eternal servant, not forget you. Let me remember you always. And then how do I want to serve those devotees as a servant of servant? There he says, Manas, Maret, with my mind, let me remember you. Ashupater, Gunamste, what do I want to remember? Your name, form, qualities, pastimes and activities. And Manaspare, Ashupater, Gunamste, Grinita Vak, Karma Karotu Kaya. He's saying, with my Vak Shakti or the ability to speak, let me glorify you. And with my body, let me engage in your service. Same three things he's saying, Kaya, Vacha, Manasa. Which means it's understandable. Anukulyena Krishna Anushilanam Bhaktiruttama. Which means Anushilanam means one should do Kaya, Vacha, Manasa. Pravritti, we should follow. Kaya, Vacha, Manasa, Nivritti, we should give up. That's what is explained in the two verses, Atyahar Prayasascha Prajarpaniyamagraha, Nivritti. And Pravritti is Utsaha Nishya Dhairyat, those things. So in this way, very clear. Everything is laid out clearly by our acharyas. We just have to understand it and apply it. So if somebody ignores the Mangalarati program and all the Arati programs and chanting and Bhagavatam class, remaining in one's own place within four walls, then what happens? We are rejecting the mercy of the Lord. It's abundantly available, but we are not accepting it. You can be brahmachari, you can be grihastha, whoever you be. If you are not going to take the early morning golden hours seriously to come in front of the Lord and place ourselves at His lotus feet, we are depriving ourselves of the mercy of the Lord. Because we have to get cleansed. Otherwise, we can't go back to Godhead. We have to be prepared first. Then we become offerable. And for preparing ourselves, the morning program is kept. Especially epitomized with the chanting of the holy name. When we chant the holy name, Krishna will give us more seriousness. When we chant sincerely, desperately, because we have to beg the Lord for direction and guidance and clarity, free from confusion. Then when we chant desperately, then the Lord gives direction. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. Yena mamam payanti te. By which you can come to me. Those people who don't desperately chant, casually they chant here and there, then Lord doesn't give them intelligence. So they gradually go far, far away from the Lord. We don't want to go far away. We want to come closer and closer. As much closer as possible to the best of our ability. By bringing our body, mind, words, everything in service to the Lord, and pleasing Guru and Krishna and Srila Prabhupada, then a day will come and we will all become pure devotees. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord, who are just like this here trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki